Hello friend, you came to my new video, and before you start watching it I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel. I really beg you to do it. The more you subscribe the channel. Subscribe. A like well done, then look.
Dispatcher, good afternoon. Today I have a flight without a co-pilot. The plane is full fueled and equipped and I'm ready to go.
The 117th understand you, listen to the order. Order number 73, you can depart from the passenger boarding area, you are completely ready for departure. When you approach the take and landing strip, then a bomber-type plane will come in for landing, did you understand?
The dispatcher understand that I will leave when I approach the runway. I will stop and allow our bomber-type plane to land.
Yes, do the 117th.
Dear passengers, we are finishing boarding and starting our journey. We ask you to take your seats and fasten your seat belts. Have a nice trip.
The dispatcher of the 117th route of the Boeing 747 KLM aircraft takes the request to take off from the runway.
On the 117th, of course, go, but before that, turn off the engines and let the bomber plane pass.
The dispatcher understand.
Dear passengers, stay in your seats. We are starting to take off.
"2,000 years later."
The dispatcher of the 117th route is ready for the landing of the plane at the Greater Rockford Airport.
The 117th understand that you can perform the landing.
The dispatcher is urgent.
I'm listening.
117th route when preparing to land the plane at Greater Rockford Airport. The landing gear indicator did not light up. The landing gear is not working. I will make an emergency landing of the plane without open landing gear, but for that I will warn all passengers about the emergency landing. How did you understand?
On the 117th route, a Boeing 747 KLM type plane caught Y. The undercarriage did not open during preparation for landing. You will make an emergency landing at Greater Rockford Airport with the undercarriage closed. Warn all passengers before that.
So true.
Dear passengers, this plane will make an emergency landing due to a broken landing gear. Please do not get up from your seats and do not panic. They will catch you and everything will be fine.
The controller made an emergency landing without landing gear. The plane turned off. Please send rescue vehicles to the plane, as well as a ramp for evacuating passengers from the plane.
The 117th route understand you. Call the rescuers. Warn the passengers.
The dispatcher realized that emergency vehicles were called to warn passengers.
Dear passengers, we have sat down. Please do not panic and sit in your seats. Nothing will happen to you when the rescue vehicles arrive. We will warn you and they will get you.